Does your hair feel dry, brittle, and dull? Dry hair is more prone to breakage and split ends. To end the damage, practice healthy hair habits and treat your hair with deep conditioning and moisturizing remedies to promote the growth of new, healthier hair. You can use any of these conditioning hair masks once or twice a week to help repair and reverse your damaged hair. Egg. Using egg for hair is known to nourish the scalp and repair damaged hair. Mix 1 egg with a small amount of shampoo. Apply to your dry hair for 5 minutes and rinse well. This treatment helps to enhance the protein in your hair. Avocado. Avocados are rich in vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals that will help restore luster to your hair. Mash a ripe avocado with 1 egg, then apply this home remedy to wet hair. Leave on for at least 20 minutes, then rinse several times. Repeat once a week for damaged hair and once a month for healthy hair. Hot oil. Warm up half a cup of your preferred oil, being careful not to boil it. Massage this oil into your hair and cover it with a shower cap. Wrap up with a towel to keep in the heat. Allow the oil to sit for at least 45 minutes so the moisture can build up. Afterwards, shampoo and rinse. Banana. The combination of banana and coconut oil provides long-lasting shine, perfect for dry hair. Mash a small banana with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this mask on your scalp and hair. Rinse after 30 to 45 minutes. Butter. Treat dry, brittle hair with a small amount of butter for a glossy shine. Massage it into your dry hair, then cover your hair with a shower cap for about 30 minutes. Shampoo as usual and rinse all the butter out. Tea. Tea is a great hair color enhancer and a hair rinse that leaves a natural shine to your hair. Use an unsweetened tea as a final rinse after your regular shampoo. Tea can enhance hair color, so make sure to use a tea that works with your hair color. Apple cider vinegar. Bring back life to your dry, damaged hair by combining 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and 3 egg whites. Then rub the mixture into your hair. Keep your hair covered for about 30 minutes using plastic wrap or a shower cap. Then shampoo and rinse. Omega-3. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids is great for keeping your hair. An easy way to add omega-3 to your diet is add foods like salmon, tuna, oysters, yogurt, eggs, capsules of flaxseed, or primrose oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.